Unlock advanced call routing and voice applications by seamlessly integrating Twilio's IVR capabilities with SIP trunking services. First, let's set up your SIP trunk within Twilio. Navigate to the SIP trunk section in your Twilio console here. You'll create a new SIP trunk, providing a friendly name and configuring its inbound and outbound settings. This includes specifying your origination and termination uniform resource identifiers, ensuring your calls flow correctly into and out of Twilio. Next, design your interactive voice response flow using Twilio Studio. This powerful visual builder allows you to drag and drop widgets to create your desired call experience. Think about your greeting messages, menu options, call forwarding logic, and even conditional routing based on caller input. Craft a user-friendly and efficient call path that meets your business needs. With your SIP trunk configured and IVR flow designed, it's time to link them. Go back to your SIP trunk settings in Twilio, locate the section for handling incoming calls, and choose your newly created Twilio Studio Flow or the associated TWIML voice application as the call handler. This tells Twilio to direct all calls coming through this SIP trunk directly to your IVR. Finally, configure your existing private branch exchange or SIP-enable devices to send calls to your Twilio SIP trunk's termination uniform resource identifier. This is the crucial step where your external system directs calls into Twilio for IVR processing. Once configured, you can thoroughly test your in-tone call flow to ensure everything routes as intended, providing a robust and flexible voice solution.